Hey guys, Josh Stewart here. I'm going to tell you how I fixed my Stihl blower. This particular one is a BG56C, and the problem I was having is it was just bogging down. So, I made sure everything was clean, I had good fuel, everything was working, seemed to be working fine. Spark plug was okay. Tried to adjust the carburetor, and it was still bogging down. And then I went ahead and just said, well, maybe something's going on with the carburetor. And so instead of trying to rebuild it, I just ordered a new one. You can get one off of Amazon for like $15. So I put a new one on there, still bogging down. So, the thing you want to do is just go buy a new blower, which I did, and I actually love these better, these BG50s, because they're lighter. But what I do with this guy, I don't want to throw it away. It should be working, but it's not. So I figured it out, and I just had the thought today. I was like, I bet it's that thing, but I can't remember what it's called, but I found the name of it. It's called the spark arrestor. And so on top of the muffler right here, you've got this little hole there, and there's it's called a spark arrestor. And I believe what it does is it stops the carburetor from emitting any kind of sparks that could start a fire. So they have this little thing that plugs it up, and it's got a screen on the back end of it. So this is a 15mm socket. I'm taking it off and I'm pulling it out. And then if you look right here, you can see where that's supposed to be a screen. You can kind of see where the screen is right there, but it is completely clogged. So there's a couple different things you can do here. Number one, you can just buy a new one of these on Amazon. They're like $10. You could probably get the Stihl, the OEM one, probably a lot more expensive than that. You could find it, or you can take some carburetor cleaner, which I'm going to do that here in a second, and clean this out and just stick it back in. And it makes a world of difference. I know that because just pulling this out, and this thing starts right up. I'll show you. See, no bogging down. Obviously it's a little louder than it should be, but once I clean the spark arrestor and put it back in, it should work fine. Anyway, hope that's helpful for you. These are great blowers. I do prefer the BG6, the BG50 instead, though, because it's a little lighter and has just as much power. The BG56C, though, you can put attachments on it, like a gutter cleaning attachment or a vacuum attachment. And yeah, that's all I got. Hope it helps. Subscribe.